Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove watermark from a video. And right now for this video, we're gonna use two methods. One of which is gonna be my phone, or rather watermark Go. This is a third-party software that you need to download to your PC. So this is gonna be a website. So this is gonna be the link. You can copy it, post a video, and then once you're here, simply click on try it free on this website. So take note, you might see that there's a Windows logo, right? This is auto-generated because I'm using a Windows PC. If you're watching this or using a MacBook and you open this website, this is going to be available for Apple also. So don't be nervous if you see Windows here, okay? So once you click on that one and download it, it should look like this. Let me just open it. Now this should be the landing page of Mark Go. Simply click on the remove watermark, this one on the middle part, and you'll arrive on this one. Add the video. Let me just add my video right there. I have this one right here. So as you can see, I have a watermark that says Shutterstock. Now basically for this, we have two methods. You have AI and manual. But for this video, I'm gonna go for AI because that would be automatic. And that being said, I can simply click on remove now and enter the name of the watermark. So for this one, it's gonna be Shutterstock. I'm just type in Shutterstock right there. Click on next. And right now it's gonna be removing it. Now I'll get back to you once it's here. This will take around 5 minutes. So welcome back to the video. It took roughly 8 minutes, if I'm gonna be honest with you. And right now let's play it. As you can see right there, the Shutterstock watermark has been removed. Download this one, simply click on export button right here. Now right here, but once I click this one, you'll see this. So download it fully, you'll have to pay the subscribed version. And right now I'm still using the free trial. I'm still waiting for my account to be approved. Anyway, that being said, it's only one click of a button. Once you have it done, that the process I showed you is basically that's it. There's nothing else to it. So just simply click on export and you have it downloaded on your PC. And you have successfully removed the watermark. So this is going to be the website. And technically this is going to be our second method or second way of removing a watermark. It's going to be called a Power Soft. And for this one, simply click on the remove watermark from video. Basically, they're the same thing. And then click on it and upload the video we're trying to remove a watermark with. So for the sake of the discussion, I'm gonna use the same video. And as you can see, it will give us a box. Let me just fit the box right here. Let me see here. Give me a second, okay? Perfect. Now basically for that one, simply click on erase. And it will now erase our watermark. It's a pretty fast application here. We didn't have to wait for a few minutes, so simply click on download files. And let's check right now. So this is gonna be the new video. As you can see, it's not very good because the image is blurred out, not technically removed. But let's try a different video because I want to show you something here. Upload the video. Now for this one, I'm gonna use this one right here. Now notice that the watermark are on the edges, not on the middle part of the screen. Because that's why that is going to be a trick here. To use this website, I suggest use a watermark with the lower, or rather at the corner, not in the middle. So simply click on add more boxes. If you have more than one watermark, click on erase, and basically let's wait for it to finish. Click on download. Let me just open my file here. As you can see right now, with this one, it was been perfect removed. The watermark aren't now available or being seen on the edges. So I suggest using this website if your watermark is on the edges, not on the middle part. Anyway, basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.